welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Bruno Mars, a new release. It's called Nothing Left. And yes, a nice song, but like usually with his songs, a lot of chords. So be prepared for that. Otherwise, yeah, it's a great song, so it's worth it. Let's go and check it out. I'm not using any capo here. Actually, we could use maybe a capo on, but I choose to go without, and we're gonna work a lot with bar chords here. So yeah, let's go into all the chords. I don't know how many. I think it's 10 plus or around that area. 10 maybe. So let's start with the B minor 7. So place index finger as a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. That's a B minor 7. Then we go to the A. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we're gonna look into many variations of the F sharp chord. So we're gonna start with the F sharp minor 7. Okay, so it's first a bar on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A, and that's it. Okay, that's the F sharp minor 7. Then we have the F sharp 7 only. So what you do there from the F minor 7 is to just add on that 3rd fret G string. Exactly the same grid plus that 3rd fret G string. That gives you the F sharp 7. Okay, then we have the F sharp sus 4. So still keep that 2nd fret bar there. And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 4th on G. That's F sharp sus 4. And then you go to the F sharp. So you have to recuperate your fingers a little bit like this. So again, keep that still there. We're going to work a lot with F sharp. So the bar is still on the 2nd fret there. But then you need to add 4th on A, 4th D, and 3rd G. Alright, that's the F sharp family. Then we'll move on to the E. We have first the E7. And it goes open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. That's the E7. Then we have the E. So from that E7, you add on that 2nd fret D string. That note, everything else stays the same, and that's the E. Then we're gonna play the G as well. And that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally, we have the C sharp minor, which is a bar chord. So place the index finger now on the 4th fret. 5 strings is what you need to push down from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th B. So at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chords is what I get from this. Okay, so the structure of the song is pretty much the same. So we have a verse, we have the pre-chorus, and a chorus, and that is not always the case with Bruno Mars and his songs, so that's good. Okay, the only thing here is all the chords, and we have 2 different strumming patterns. The first one starts here in the verse. So if you grab the first chord, the B minor 7, this first string pattern goes like this. Okay, so it's a long one. It goes 2 downs first, then comes up, up, down, and then up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's what we're going to work with in the verse. So you're going to play one of these for B minor 7, then 1 A, then 1 on the F sharp minor 7, then 2 on the B minor 7, then 1 on A, and finally 1 on the F sharp 7. So let's play that together. I'm going to play and speak meanwhile I'm playing. So let's do it. B minor 1, A 1, F sharp minor 7 1, B minor 2, and F#7. That's the first verse, okay? Into the pre-chorus, starts about 28 seconds in. Yeah, so that's where we are, and we're gonna play still this string pattern, but we're gonna sneak in the second version into this pre-chorus. We're gonna come to that, but first we're gonna start with B minor 7, 1 string around, then E7, 1 string around, and now we're gonna play A and G with this second version of strumming, and that is pretty easy. So A goes like this. So it's 3 downs first, 1, 2, 3, and then down up. Down, 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 down up. So that's one string pattern, the second one, the second version of it. So this pre-chorus here is a mix of both, okay? So you're gonna play, like I said, B minor 1 of the first version, then E7 1, then A 1 of this new one, the down and down, down up, and then G, again, one of these new ones, and then you're gonna go back to the F# minor 7 with one of the first version, down, down, up, down, down, up, okay? So all that is one chord progression around. You're gonna play one string around per chord, but from different versions. So the first, the second, and the fifth last chord is from the first version of strumming, and the third, A and G, fourth is from the newer one. So it goes like this. Okay, and that is a pre-chorus. Now we're gonna go into the chords, and now you're gonna stick with the newer version of the strumming, the down, 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 up. Okay, so what you're gonna play now is D 1, A 1, C# minor 1, E 1, and then you're gonna end with F# sus4 2 and F# 2. All that is one chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Okay. I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing, so let's do it. Just the newer version, down, 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 up, goes like this. D1, A1, C#1, E1, and then again, so D, A, C#, E, F sus, and F. 2 rounds of that, that's the first chorus, okay? So you finish the first round. Second round is just repetition, guys. It's playing exactly the same way as the first verse, and the second pre-chorus, again, exactly the same as the first one. And the second chorus, again, just repetition. So the second round just goes in the same way as the first round. Then we have a bridge part after the second chorus. It comes in about 2 minutes and 10 seconds in. And what you're going to play here is the chorus play for another 2 rounds. Then you're going to jump back to play the final parts of the song. It's the third chorus plus an outro. And guess what? You're just going to continue to play that chorus of D, A, C#, E, F sus, and F#. 4 rounds in total, and that, my friends, is Nothing Left from Bruno Mars. A great song. If you want to have more songs from his latest releases, then leave a comment. I read them. If not, this time of like this weekend or so, we have Wish Wednesdays, okay, guys? So don't forget about that. Leave me a comment. On Wednesdays, I bring up your wishes, wherever it is, and I pick 1 or 2 every Wednesday. It could be yours next time. So give it a shot. Interact with me. Have a good day, and play tuned.